Good day, my wonderful viewers. You're welcome once again to Frequency Online Mass. I saw this question on Facebook, Igbo something, Igbo history, something like that. So he posted it. He said that many people are giving their this thing answer to this question that just solve your own and post it. I was like, okay, I saw similar question like this. I saw it at HRC platform. I was just scrolling on my Facebook. I saw this and I went to the comment section. Many people were not the same question, but exactly this type. Many people were like typing one, one, one. I was correcting them and saying that it is not one. They were busy insulting me that I don't even know what I'm doing. That I pity the students that I'm teaching. You understand? That they pity the student that I'm teaching, that I don't even know math, something like that. Instead of them to calm down and learn anything that I don't know, I will say, okay, show me your evidence. If you show me your evidence, if you're able to convince me, I will believe. If your steps are correct, I will believe. But ignorance will kill some people. So I was like, I did this thing. I corrected them. Some did not agree, some agreed. You understand? Now I was waiting for the school to type something about that question because it's more like bringing violence in that comment section. I was waiting, okay, the school, what they're supposed to do is call their maths teachers, say, and tell the maths teachers, see, this person is like bringing confusion. What is your thought on this person? Now, when they get answers from their maths teachers, they will say, okay, now they will put it on the comment section and reply to my what video, whether I'm wrong or what right. But I know I'm what right with the points of what mine. Now, solving the same question, 8 divided by 2, parenthesis 2 plus what? 3 is equals to what? We don't know. Now, we have what we call BODMAS. I hope you can see it well. We have what we call BODMAS. We have what we call what? PEMDAS. We have what we call even BIMDAS. Even we have what we call BEDMAS. You understand? All these things are what we have. We have these BODMAS, all these things are what? The same thing. Parentheses, order, division, multiplication, addition, and what? Subtraction. Sorry, brackets, not parentheses. Brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and what? Subtraction. Now, this PEMDAS is called what? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This BIDMAS is called parentheses, index, or you call it indices, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This one, BEDMAS, brackets, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Order and exponent, they are still the same thing. Indices is what? Exponent. I can say self. So how will you pronounce this one? PIMDAS. They are still the same thing. Power is what? Exponent. So all these things are what? Still the same thing. But they operate differently. BODMAS and PEMDAS are what? Still the same thing. But BODMAS is more like telling us that if you have division before multiplication, first of all, divide. You understand? From left to what? Right. If you have division from left to right before multiplication, first of all, divide. You understand? But PEMDAS is telling us that if you have multiplication before division from left to right, you can do what? Multiply. You understand? Before what? Dividing. Do you understand? Now, let's just bring this question now. 8 divided by what? 2. Parenthesis 2 plus what? 2. Now, we first of all settle what? Brackets. We are going to use what? BODMAS. You settle brackets. 8 divided by 2. Then settling the brackets will now be 2 plus 2 is what? 4. You understand? You go for order. The order is what? 1. Because anything raised to the power of 1 is what? That thing. So you write 8 divided by 2 times 4. Are you there? So it will now be 8 divided by what? You first of all divide before what? Multiplying. So it will be 8 divided by 2 times what? 4. You divide before what? Multiplying. So 8 divided by 2 is what? 4 times 4, which will give us what? 16. This is the correct answer. You divide before what? Multiplying. Division before multiplication. But if you have, for example, in BEDMAS, PEMDAS, if you have multiplication before division, you can do otherwise. For example, I have 8 divided by 2. Okay, 8 times 2 divided by what? 2. I can do otherwise. If I like, I will multiply first before dividing. Now, let's multiply first before dividing. 8 times 2 is what? 16 divided by 2, which is what? 8. Now, let's divide before multiplying. 8 times 2 divided by what? 2. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. 8 times 1 is what? 8. You see that we are getting the same what? Answer. So, using BODMAS or PEMDAS, if you have division before multiplication, first of all divide before what? Multiplying. Where they are getting this information is from historical what? Usage. For example, historical what? Usage. From where? Historical usage. In 1917, some textbooks were telling us that if you have something like 2r divided by what? Z. You understand? Or Z divided by 2r. Anyone? Z divided by what? 2r. You understand? So that this thing simply means Z over 2 times r, which is what? Z over what? 2r. Do you understand? So that's it. Now, this is where they get their concept from. So, for example, if you have okay, at this place now, where is that place? Okay, 8 divided by 2 times 4. So 8 divided by 2 times what? 4. I hope you can see it from there. Okay, 8 divided by 2 times 4. This is where they get their concept that it will now be what? 8 all over 2 parenthesis what? 4, which is 8 all over 2 times 4 is what? 8, which is equal to 1. Can you see it from there? Okay, let me bring it down a little. So this is where they are getting their concept. 8 divided by 2 times 4. Are you seeing it? So it will be 8 over 2 times 4 what? 8. 8 over 8, which is what? 1. This thing is what? Wrong. So we are no longer using it. The correct answer is what? 16. So if you have any um operation like this, if you have division before multiplication, first of all divide before multiplying. Then if you have multiplication before division, you can do otherwise. You can multiply before what? Dividing, and after you divide, or you can divide after you do what? Multiply. But if you have division before multiplication, it means you must divide. So this is telling us that division has more power than what? Multiplication. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Please share to your learning colleagues and learn from this. Bye bye.